Hey, Joaquin, Andrea, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to discuss JM landscaping, but before we get into that, I just want to say a little bit about myself. I enjoy doing what I'm doing. I help small businesses grow, and with that, let's get started. So I like to start off by saying I really like the content of your site. It looks really good. I like to get a quote and stuff like that. But Google really looks for is content. Oh, I like the pictures and stuff, and this center one here. It looks really nice and clean. I like the footer down here as well. It's got all your contact us and your hours and whatnot. But what Google really looks for is content, and Google loves about 1,500 words of content. And if you have too much, like say 2,000, then Google kind of looks at that kind of spammy. So let's go ahead and plug this in and see where you're at. Okay, 469 words. Now, have you mind, you are actually on, I believe, the third page. Let's check. Third page of Google. Okay, you're right here. And, oh, fifth page. Excuse me. All right, so let's look at your competitors. Now, this is the front page of Google right here in landscaping, Santa Fe, New Mexico. Cassidy's landscaping is number one on the front page of Google out there. So let's see what kind of content they have. Okay. You have 469 words. You have 297. So basically they're kind of beating excuse me. They're they're kind of beating you in organic words. That's why that's why they have less words than you got. So basically what they're beating you at is how all these words are being saved to each and everything on their site. So that's kind of how that works as far as keywords and content and all that. Second thing I want to talk about is a little bit about backlinks and keywords, and not all backlinks are created equal. So we do have this tool, it's called Ahrefs. And I took the liberty and I plugged in your site into Ahrefs, JM Landscape and Construction, and it talks about backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, and anybody could get this tool. I purchased it because I use it all the time. So we can pretty much gather all these organic keywords, and here's all your keywords that you're using for your site. Um, so let's go back to overview. Now let's do a little comparison. Um, this right here is Cassidy's landscaping, and their site isn't very trusted, but it's a little bit powerful. Which this really don't matter. What matters is your organics. So they got organic keywords. Let's just look at theirs real quick, and these are pretty much all the keywords that they are running through that site to help them rank. So I mean, in a nutshell, if you want to take a look, you have 16 organic keywords, 20 backlinks and all that going through them, 11 referrings. So let's take a look at theirs. They have 186 backlinks and 51 organic keywords. So they're pretty much have a little bit more organics than you, of course, but we have everything they have, so we got to be doing what they're doing to blow them out of the water. So thirdly, I like to say that, or excuse me, I like to talk about citations. And with citations, let's go ahead and go back to the map pack over here. So basically what we discussed is organics. Now organics help you rank down here. So there's some searchers that love to search just on the front page on what they can pull up. So what I do want to talk about now is citations, and it's up here, which is called the map pack. and it used to be GMB. Now it's called Google Business Profile. So Native Earth, Desert Rose, and Proscape are at the top three up here. So basically, let's see if we can locate you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see. Might be way down here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 30, 31, 32, 4. Let's go to 4. Let's see if we can find you on 4. I don't. Nope, that's not you. JMG Landscape. Nope. Wow, I can't find you. So, let's look at 5. CJ's, Sunrise. So you definitely need some help with your Google Business Profile. So let's go back to 1, and I'll explain a little bit about Native Earth. The reason why they are on top is because they have more reviews than anyone. So they got 17. Everything here is put really nicely, and they have a bunch of photos saved up. So anyway, that's all I have for you, Joaquin. I hope you liked the free video. You could do with it as you will. No harm, no foul. No harm, no foul. If you want someone to look into this for you, just feel free to contact me anytime. My name's Joshua Gutierrez, and you can reach me at 505 331 7995. Again, that's 505 331 7995. And you can check me on my website at scenicsparkseo.com. That's scenicsparkseo.com. Or you can reach me at my email anytime. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the free video, and do with it as you will, like I said. So with that, you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.